We are off on our own today, right, babe?
Mm-hmm.
And we're going Animal Kingdom.
You can pay to take these tours of Mount Everest, and I can't think of anything that could go wrong. They say that the tours are fun and informative, and you get to see lots of nature and beautiful mountains, and nothing bad ever happens. And one of the things that appeals to us about it is that it's not scary. You know, there's no thing that I can think of that would make it dangerous or, you know, I mean, it's pretty much just your normal tour. So that's what we're going to do now.
Yeah. You've got to see them every time.
All right. The tour has started off normally. This expedition appears to be going just as planned. We are currently on the train that is going to take us up to the top of the peak of the mountain. We don't anticipate any unusual activity at this time.
Woo!
I like being in the middle.
Yeah. But does it rain on us?
I know, it's going to start pouring like any second. Look how pretty. Lunged for me, but I was too fast.
But that was definitely not a normal tour.
Yeah. So there's a Yeti on this ride, so 1 out of 5 stars. Would not recommend this expedition.
To take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied. One more thing. Those locked coordinates. We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the Iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with 1 additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
He's gonna get you. Here we go. I don't know what's going on.
We're gonna get that dino. Let's go get that dino. We got the dino. It came back with us.
We did it. Evan has never bought a special magic band, and we're looking at them as possibly his souvenir from this trip. And
Kind of like Sorcerer Mickey.
yeah, show us the other two you're thinking about.
Wally and BB-8.
Those are really good ones.
I'm kind of honestly leaning toward Wally.
Are they both A's or are either?
Yeah, they're all A's. All of them.
We like the up one. This is the one, if I was getting one, I would get this. For sure, hands down, no question.
Yeah.
It is Baloo and Bagheera and Mowgli. I love it. It's green and I love green. And what did Evan select?
I got a
Dun, 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 dun.
Wally.
Wow.
Wally. I love Wally.
Yay!
Alrighty, so we do thank you for your patience. We will get moving as soon as we have collected everyone at the station that wants to join you. Now, the way that we call these animals into their homes every night is by a specific sound cue. That sound could be two sticks hit together, rocks inside of a can or a triangle. But when the animals hear their specific sound, they know it's time to come in for dinner or any extra care they may need. Right now, we're currently on the backside of the Kilimanjaro Safari Savannah. A fun fact about our Savannah is that it is so large you can fit all of Magic Kingdom and Magic Kingdom's parking inside of it and have room to spare.
Aren't they pretty?
Yeah, they're beautiful.
To the left. And then. Favorite part of all of these animals. Very cool. As you turn the corner, the animals just keep going and going and going and going. They're so cool. Rhinos, tigers. Oh, wow. It's really impressive, Fiona. Green tree python. They've got it raining in his little habitat. So he can be happy.
Yeah. Colorado River toad. Talking bug-eyed frog.
Oh, look at that big guy.
Ooh, African bullfrog.
We talked to a wonderful cast member,
Yeah,
and he
named
told
Rick.
named Rick. Thank you, Rick. And he told us that he's worked here for 35 years, and that the animals are all staying, and that the animal vet care and the research, all that's staying.
And they don't know what's going to happen
They
after that.
don't know what's going to happen with the out front part. They don't know if it's going to be like more of a convention thing. They haven't
Yeah.
told them, but
And he's worked at the Animal Kingdom since '98, since it opened.
yeah, but all the animals and everything are going to, even the petting zoo, they're all staying. So
That snake.
they get to live in their
California king
house.
snake. Ew, that's giving me chills. Yuck.
Look at that one. Look at this one up in the tree. Oh, Evan, look at the big turtle back there. He's trying to get on that log. His little feet are
He's
flipping.
doing it. He's doing
You can
it.
do it, little guy. Come on. You can
He's
do
doing
it.
it.
You can do it. Keep going.
He did it.
Love it.
Aww. Anim leaf turtle. He did it.
Good job, baby.
He's like, where is this?
Look at this bug.
He said that they're learning new things about big cats all the time from their observational research.
Cool. It's Jane Woodall's scope, which blows my mind. All the different things.
Yeah, like her actual scope.
Art, that's art from a poacher's snare. Wow. Restoring coral reefs. Goodbye, Rafiki's Planet Watch.
Hopefully you'll be back. We don't know.
Yes, we'll see what happens.
That was fun.
Yeah. I'm so excited to see the baby hippo. His name is Augustus.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll see him.
Yeah, hopefully he's out playing.
Yeah, we don't know.
He might be in for the night. It's kind of late.
Yeah, we'll see. It's so dark. It's like the nighttime safari.
Almost.
Because it's so cloudy outside.
We're into the Harambe Wildlife Preserve. Yeah, and here I thought I was gonna get dry tuna, folks. Darn it. That's okay. All right, friends, make sure you stay fully seated during our entire journey.
This will happen in Jurassic Park.
Now, friends, the good news is that the animals absolutely love the rain. So hopefully, all right, friends, on our right-hand side, that is an okapi. Now, a lot of people think the okapi is related to the zebra, but friends, it's actually the closest known relative to the giraffe. All right, let's see what we can spot over here.
This is crazy. The rain. It's awesome though.
Orangish animals, those are bongos. Bongos are known as the ghosts of the forest because they are rarely seen during the daytime. Hippo sightings over here. If you look to your right, you'll be able to see that hippo in the water.
Look at it. Look at it. Did you get it?
There's Augustus! See it open its mouth? That was a big hippo. And it opened its mouth even.
I don't think Augustus is out.
Did you see that though? Did you see it open its mouth?
Now, hippos do tend to spend most of their time during the day in the water. At night, they will venture out onto the shoreline where they can eat up to 100 pounds of grass each night.
That's a lot of grass.
Look, that must be one.
Hippos can stay underneath of the water for up to 8 minutes at a time before needing to come up for any air. And friends, we have totally lucked out. There is a hippo on land right now. Now the reason why is probably because it's raining and it's nice outside. It's not too hot, so it wanted to come up and get a snack.
Look at that. You see that?
Make sure we stay fully seated for me, friends. Thank you so much. Now there's our Nile crocodile. It's of migratory animals. That does just mean they will move around in large groups over large areas of land. Now, some of those migratory animals include giraffe, wildebeest, zebra, and elephants. All right, friends. Some of you see those hyenas off to our left. Those are spotted hyenas. On our left-hand side, those brown antelope, those are sable antelope. They are the emblem of the Harambe Wildlife Preserve. As you can see, the giraffes don't really care for the rain as much. They're kind of hanging out underneath of those trees. Giraffes are the tallest land animals. Those are greater flamingos. Greater flamingos are the lightest pink of all the flamingo species. Brine shrimp contain beta-carotene, and that is what will turn those feathers pink. Now, cheetahs are the world's fastest land animals. They can run speeds up to 60 miles per hour. It only takes them 3 seconds to reach that speed. And they are nocturnal, so that does mean that they are most active at nighttime. Which does make sense since their vision is actually 6 times greater at night than it is during the day. Their vision during the day is actually only as good as a human's. And there are 2 females laying down towards the base of those rocks.
Evan, apple and olive.
Now you may think that the male lion does all of the hunting for the pride. Well, friends, it's actually the female lions. And off to our right-hand side, you might spot that ostrich walking around. Ostrich are another animal that doesn't really like the rain, but the rain's kind of subsided for now, a little bit.
Love you, babies.
Now friends, here in Harambe, we don't like to say goodbye. It's far too sad and far too final. So instead we say Kwaherini. That means go well in Swahili. So Kwaherini friends, I hope you have a great rest of your day here in Harambe.
Goodbye, Animal Kingdom.
Bye, Animal Kingdom. We already miss you.
It was really short, and we didn't get enough time. We want to come back.
Hopefully next time we'll have a whole day here.
Yeah.